Page 28, we won the game today. The rhythm gets a little tricky here, so let's just talk about it. We are moving up and down the keyboard like we have been, that's okay. The first line is for the right hand, that's what the RH means, and the second line is for the left hand, that's the LH. And we have this pattern, and it's 4/4 time. I see quarter notes and half notes, and we have a pattern. We're going up the keyboard or down the keyboard, and here. And we have that tie. Now, ties mess some people up. I don't get the tie. I just can't do it. They're not difficult. Just hang on to the note. But if it really does mess you up, then simply take it out and play all the notes at first. Just play all the notes. These are just quarter notes. Then once you can do that okay, then put the tie in. You just hang on to the note rather than playing it again. Come up. We're going up the keyboard like all the way up to C. That's what we're doing here. There is a note at the bottom that play this with fingers 2, 3, and 4. That's good exercise. That way you're using other fingers. I would suggest you also play it with fingers 3, 4, and 5. Those are the awkward fingers, and those are really the ones we need to be using here. I'm just transferring weight from finger to finger. All the way up. I think that would be the best, 3 and 5. However, do it however your teacher tells you to. Left hand's going to do the same thing. We're starting on C. All the way down to C. But again, do it with the other fingers. 3. And the 3, 4, and 5 are actually the most important, in my opinion, to be using because those are the awkward fingers and you need to use them. Now it says mezzo forte, it's sort of loud, that's fine, whatever. And as far as the speed goes with energy, I have no idea how fast that is. Just play it. Keep a steady beat, no hesitations anywhere. Now, once you can do that, let's play these two lines together. I'm going to do the top line first, the right hand, and then we're going to stop. I'll count in again, and I'll give us 4 counts because it's in 4/4 time. And then we'll do the left hand, slowly. And remember, we're dealing with what it feels like to have the hand at different angles to the keyboard. This is part of what this is about, I think, in my opinion it is. They don't mention that, but I think it's important. I'm not going to keep the hand straight and then just adjust the wrist as I go out. The wrist stays the same, the hand just is at a different angle. That's all. Anyway, let's play this together. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 4. 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 1, 3, 4, off. Let's do the left hand. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4.